Hello and good morning. Welcome back. Ngayon, gusto nating matutunan kung paano i-post yung mga links from IMG Dominate Tool. So let's go to our website, IMG portal. So as a member, you need to go for members login on the top right and click. You need to log in, enter your user ID or agent code and your password, and you click login. This is the long way of doing the, if you don't know how to go directly to your IMG Dominate tool. So here you have home, updates, reports, resources, and tools. So here in the tools, the first one is IMG Dominate. So this is the one we want to go. So here we have our IMG Dominate, but you have to log in again. Our president from IMG, Sir Joan de las Peñas, is on the video to welcome you for IMG. So here we are with our dashboard, IMG Dominate tool. So if you can see on the right side, these are all your affiliate links. You have your personal code over there. So this is your personal code. This is my personal code, 84836EU. So your code will be different, but the rest it will be just the same. So for example, if you want the other people to come and join you for the financial education, so that we can reach 10 million people to be financially educated by 2025. So with this one, it's very easy. You can just click here and copy the link and paste it to your Facebook or to your Facebook Messenger and send it to your friends for them to register. And also you can win a raffle. They will be having a raffle entry which they can win an iPad. And here in the offer page is all about IMG benefits. So if you want your friends, your family, or someone for you to offer about IMG benefits, so it's the offer page. So membership benefits checklist is all about the 30 benefits of IMG, and then if they also want to join IMG. So for example, if they want financial checkup, if they want mutual funds or Kaiser, so here you will know what your guests or friends like the most, or if they want to have a passive income, especially if we are in the pandemic or in the lockdown. So if they want to have a work at home, so they can really do the business if they want. So here we have IMG online workshop. So here we have you can do your workshop. We have workshop 1, debt management. So all the workshops will be here and you can do it, and you need to watch the videos or read the saving and building your future book. Here also is the Kaiser Quote. So if your guest wants about Kaiser and they already know about the Kaiser, the importance of Kaiser, so the quote will be it's the normal over there is 100K, but they can check which Kaiser plan they want. We have the K45, K50, K60, so they can choose from that depending on the age as well. So here the turning point success stories. So turning point success stories is all about the success of the our CEOs or EVCs. So with this one, it's really very uplifting for people that even those who doesn't have any education, you can be able to become become a CEO of your own company. So it's really great that IMG is building people to be successful. And even if you don't have uh, the highest level of education, you didn't go to college, so this is for everyone. So all walks of life, um, those who are tricycle drivers, who wants to have a financial education and develop themselves to be financially independent. So it's really very powerful. So you can watch and check the videos of the success stories of our CEOs, SMDs, EVCs, Green Jacket. Here also is the attendance. So for this attendance, if those people you want to for example, you have a building your future orientation, so let them register here. So when they register, it will be their name, first name, last name, and their email address, and also their phone number. So all these details, it will be useful for you to do autoresponders. So for example, 10 million 2020, if you click on that link, it will show you how are they going to fill it up. So it says here 10 million financially educated families. So it will be their first name, last name, email address, and mobile number. So after this one, if they fill it up, they will receive an email that they have entered a raffle entry and might be able to win an iPad. So if you want to post this on your Facebook, so you just copy the link and then go to your Facebook and post it. So it's just very easy. So on your page, so you can just put it, paste it. It will show your link, and then you can write some caption before the link. So you can write friends, be part of our campaign. And win an iPad. Kasi gusto nila yan, di ba? They won't put their details if they don't get anything in return. So for here, I can see but so if you want it in your news feed, in your story, so you can put it there. So oh, di ba? Kasi gusto ng mga kaibigan natin, gusto manalo ng iPad. So, if they want to to give their details, they might win an iPad. And just post it. So, it's very good. it's a learning process that you have to post every day, every other day, for your friends to see that you are active, and you know how to what is your business, or why they have to join IMG. So it's really good for you to post every day. Every day different links is good, so they will see it differently. So I really like the success stories. So for you to be able to get their attention, post the success stories. All right. So I'll see you on our next video. Thank you very much. Bye.